In my three sisters garden bed, I have some germination. Look at my beans. I see beans coming up. Come on, beans. Green beans coming up. Poking their heads out from underneath the straw. And look at here. I have some corn. Corn. Okay, corn, I see you. Corn, okay. And I have squash. Squash have germinated. Okay, squash. Can't wait to see y'all get bigger. Okay. Come on, Three Sisters Garden Bed. Grow a lot for us. Well, don't look like my cantaloupe is gonna get any bigger. I am moving it and pulled the little stem off of it. But it looked like it was getting brown where it was about to break off anyway. But it looked like this is gonna be the smallest. It got kind of split up from all the rain that was coming around here too. Got too much rain on it and split it open. This is my first harvest of my cantaloupe in my garden bed. Maybe next one's gonna be a little bigger, but I'm gonna have to pull up all of this leaves here. Cantaloupe bed here. Look like the leaves done got dried up or something from all the heat was on it. Sun burning it up. But these over here look like they real green and pretty, but I don't see any blooms on them. Let me see. I don't see any blooms on here. No blooms. All of these white flies around here too. So I'm gonna pull all of this up and I'm gonna sow some more cantaloupe seeds in these beds here. But this is my first harvest of my cantaloupe from my garden. I'm gonna cut it open and see what it tastes like. At least taste it. Okay, first cantaloupe grown in Big Mama's garden. Also, I think it's time to pull out all of these dead cucumber leaves and vines and harvest the last of the cucumbers over in this bed and sow some more seeds. Sow another round of cucumbers. Okay, let me get in here and, oh, look at here. There's one right there. Let me harvest you. Okay, let me finish looking around this bed here and see if I can find any more cucumbers. Then I'm gonna get busy cleaning this area out and sow me some more cucumber seeds in here. Today's harvest from Big Mama's garden. More cucumbers, okra, and my cantaloupe.